Choosing environmentally responsible seafood is not as simple as it may sound. To truly eat with the ocean's health in mind, you first have to know where and how your food was caught or farmed, which is not always easy to find out. As a consumer, you can do your part by looking for certain fish that, when caught by fishermen, create minimal impact upon the ocean environment. Hook-caught haddock, striped bass, and bluefish are all good choices because they are caught by methods other than bottom trawling, which may disturb ocean environments. Bottom trawling also often catches other creatures than the ones being fished, which is simply not a good thing any way you look at it. Other eco-friendly options are shellfish, clams, blue mussels, and oysters, as they're commonly farm-raised with minimal to no damage to the surrounding areas. Any other fish that reproduce rapidly or swim in large schools near the surface of the ocean also will ensure that your seafood dinner didn't come at a high price to the ocean environment. With a quick education, the average consumer can make eco-conscious choices that will save our oceans from being overfished. I'm Laura Lewis for the World Education Council, WEC-TV, changing the world one mind at a time.